Today, I'll show you how to install TEKKEN 6 on any PC or laptop and the best settings to utilize to get good performance and FPS. Now, simply start by searching for PPSSPP for PC. That's going to bring you to the main website. So click on the main website. Now, click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to ask you if you're downloading for Android, iOS, or PC. Obviously, we need it for PC. So I will click on the PPSSPP installer below. Once I click on this, it's going to start downloading to my device. So as you can see, it's already asked me where I want it. So I want it in the download section. So I'll click on save, and you can see it's downloading to my device. Alright, it is done downloading. So I will open up the folder. So right now I will have to install to my device. So all you have to do is just double tap on it, click OK, install, and just like that, it's already installing to my PC. Now I'm going to click on finish, and it's going to open up for the first time. Now, as you can see, it is done installing to my device. Now, the only thing that is left for us to do is to simply, add a game for us in here to play. So let me show you how to do that. So if you go to the document section, you see that it have already created a PSP folder for you. So you can see the PSP folder in here. So now we have to locate our game file. So if I go to my game section, you can see I have, different game files in here. So the one I actually need is that of TEKKEN. So all I have to do is copy the game file. Once I copy the game file, I'll go to my documents, go into the PSP game section, and then I'll paste it in there. So you can see that this is actually a zip file. Zip file is not actually what we need, so we have to extract it. So you right click on it. Once you right click on it, you see the extract option. If you do not see the extract option, go and download this app that is called WinRAR to your PC. Once you do that, you'll be able to extract zip files and other type of files on your PC. So once I click on extract, or I click extract, it's going to extract the original game file into my PSP game folder. Alright, it is done with that. So we no longer need the zip file. So I'm going to delete this zip file. So once done, open your PPSSPP, click on PSP, game, click on your game, and you can see the game is right there and is ready to play. Now you are actually going to be needing a very good controller so you can actually enjoy playing PSP games on your PC. The controller that I actually recommend is called Xbox 360 controller. So I'm going to insert mine. So once you use the Xbox 360 USB controller, this actually works very, very nicely with this PSP emulator for PC. So you can see game controller connected. So I'm actually controlling this game now with my controller. So simply go to settings, go to your rendering resolution. If you are using a PC that is quite okay, go for 4x PSP. But if you are using a very powerful PC, you can go for 8S PSP, which is 4K. So I'm going to go with 4x PSP. Then you activate full screen, and that's pretty much it. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. See. You win. Resuming mission.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.